But
I'm not gonna...
Huh?
That looks a little... It's mayonnaise on steak.
I know, but you won't even taste the mayo or anything. You got a butter knife somewhere.
Yeah. So what kind of steaks are these?
They are top sirloin fillets. Just need a light over there. Because when I put it in the oven for reverse sear, mayo actually, it basically turns into an oil. It's like an oil base.
Skatesy's here. Say hi to Skate.
Hey, what up, boo?
Mayonnaise on steak.
Actually do this. I've seen all kinds of videos on it and shit. Don't worry. We're not just gonna eat it like this.
Just eat it raw with mayonnaise on top.
Hell yeah. That cocks. I like that kitty cat shot. That's a big fucking bowl. No wonder that fan's so fat.
She hungry.
She's hungry.
Just fucking over here, dude.
That's just I just realized. Damn, that's a lot. Just like lathering a cake with icing. It's fucking made.
It looks like something else.
This should be. Right there.
Okay, cool. Making sure.
She can hear.
Yeah. I haven't done a phone stream in a long time, so I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Slap that bad boy on there.
So you bake it first? That's the reverse sear thing?
So I have the cast iron in there. That's probably all good and warmed up.
Skatesy asks how much for the in-house chef?
Huh?
How much for the in-house chef?
About a can and a half.
Alright, makes sense.
To about 140 degrees. That way it doesn't start cooking. You just want it to be like the same temperature or close to what the pan is at. Mm-hmm. That way it cooks.
Don't forget your oven middies. If you need the oven middies.
Nah, I'm going in dry.
Now that's bone apple tea.
Bone apple tea, boys.
Alright.
Perfect level. Okay. And now we just watch that. We'll keep it on the temperature. Shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. Alright.
Seasonings we got. Tell us about the seasonings.
Well, I don't know if you guys noticed, but we were using mayo. Honestly, I don't like no other bitch ass salts. Let's see.
I like kosher salt.
Kosher salt's good. I use that sometimes, but all of my seasonings, almost all of them, I like having a grinder because it's easier to control the amount of seasoning you put on something.
Say hi to Whiskey.
Hey, baby. You want some toe picks? Yeah, look at that. Just for you, Whiskey. I thought I heard something blow up. Kitchen, hell yeah. Let's see, this is actually really good. This is my favorite. I get it from, you can only get it from Whole Foods or online, I'm pretty sure.
Is it?
As like thyme, lavender, salt, and something, a couple other things, and it's super good. I put it on almost any meat I cook. It's very delicious. And then sometimes I use an Italian seasoning steaks, and then this is just something I got from Trader Joe's. It just has like a bunch of salt, pepper, and like garlic and shit. I only use avocado oil. And then fresh thyme leaves. I'll help it with its smell too. It'll smell really good. And then minced garlic, fresh minced garlic. And sea salt butter.
Whiskey says, "Where's the ketchup? We can marinate it in ketchup." Well, if you were here earlier, Whiskey, he actually put fucking mayonnaise on it.
That's probably what we heard. But yeah, that's starting to cook. I'll turn it on. So we'll take it out here in a couple of minutes.
Avocado oil.
It's got one of the highest boiling or smoke points, and it doesn't leave any weird oily taste. I feel like.
Where the kitties at?
And now we just eat garlic.
That's it. We're not using any more steak.
Start finger forcing it down my throat.
Where the kitties at? Baby kitty, you fat fuck.
I love the smell of mixed garlic.
This is Annabelle.
It should smell good. Rinse this off real quick.
You're just gonna lick it off? Yummy.
Hell yeah.
Turn the
Hell yeah.
Shit.
It's lit.
Turn the oven off. This is it. It stopped. That one stopped. Okay, it stopped. You gotta double tap it.
You got it. Alright.
Mayonnaise coating. You're doing it medium rare?
Yeah.
Cynthia says, tell Otto it doesn't matter because everything he does is perfect and also he has a big cock. Blu-ray fuck Romano. Blu-ray fuck Romano. Oh shit! I scared her. Blu-ray fuck Romano.
Okay, and then we will flip it. Quick. See, what's up with that side? That side ain't doing shit. Both of them have crust on one side and the other side is I'm naked, bitch.
Ah, yes. The culinary arts.
Which one do you want?
Doesn't matter. Instant potatoes, blasphemy. We're lazy, Skate C.
Yes, I am lazy. It was a last minute thing.
That's like
Because most of the time I would have just cooked 2 steaks for myself and had no side.
But you felt like being a little more classy.
Classy, but also lazy.
Class.
I was like, well, I'm cooking for someone else, so I guess we need a sign. That's just how we're eating. If you want a little moisture, you can spit in it a little.
Just straight up potato powder.
Oh, it's okay. Hell yeah, busted. Oh, dude, these steaks look pretty tasty.
Okay. Let's heat this up.
Careful having your hand on that. It will get hot.
Got a little messy.
Wait for that to cool off.
I think we need too much potatoes.
That's okay.
I like this.
Potatoes are fucking delicious.
Potatoes!
You know what? It's gonna be fucking delicious. I don't care.
Not our. No, it's your finest. This
It's gonna be fucking
this is
delicious.
this is the epitome of the culinary arts, and I challenge Gordon Ramsay to step up because he can't even, right? Like
Dude, he literally ain't got
the
shit on me.
flavors, the ratios. Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's do a cross section. It's making a lot of sounds.
Did you hear it sound like a queef? It sounded like a queef.
So much potatoes. Yeah, we let it rest. You don't want to cut it. You don't give us the cross section of. Cut it in half. Cut it in half. Otto, don't be embarrassed, baby. We all love your cooking.
I mean, it's pink in the middle. I just don't want to cut it in half because I eat it with my hands.
You eat it with your straight up hands.
It's not horrible. I'd say it's medium.
It's a yeah. I'd say it's
What's
more
it?
medium. But still, I challenge Gordon Ramsay to step the fuck up and do something just as good.
And this is how you eat steak. Oh fuck, that's good.